Hello everyone and welcome to Module 6 of my TikTok Mastery course. This is going to be the final part of this course. I'm wrapping it up with this one. That being said, I will be making a lot more TikTok videos in the future as I learn more information. I'm going to update you guys on my account, just some more money making strategies and endeavors I get into down the road. But for this final part, I'm going to look at some case studies. I'm going to show you some accounts that are doing really well in this niche, doing things a little differently than I've shown you, that you're more than welcome and actually encouraged to try. And then I'll show you another case study of a guy in my Discord actually who's had some early success and what he's doing and actually kind of doing a little different as well, and seeing results with that. So it's all about, just testing different things, seeing what works, and then once you find it, really just sticking with it. So this account right here, at self destroyed with an X in there. As you can see in their bio right off the rip, they're advertising some form of CPA marketing, it looks like. And we'll actually go to their link here. And yeah, it's just kind of like a little different than a link tree, but basically the same thing. Just looks like it's a different website. And yeah, it's got all these affiliate offers right here that they're using. These are just CPA offers. So basically, people go to these links for these, gift card codes. You're probably not gonna get one. I don't even know if you're actually even entered in one. Those things are like raffle style offers. They might just be total scams, but obviously he's making money off people probably submitting email and zip code for those. I'm actually making a video in the future where I'm doing some CPA marketing like this and showing how much I make. That video will be out probably in a week or so, and you guys will see how that does. Yeah, just looking at his account here, pretty similar manifestation content, but a little bit differently. Obviously, this guy doing really well, 3.4 million followers, 91.9 million likes, and just like off the ripper here, as you can see, this is your sign. If you're watching this before the start of February, you'll be with them soon. So it's sort of like a relationship manifestation type account. Post a ton of videos, and some of them don't do great at all. A lot of them end up blowing up though, and so this account's just pretty stable, growing really quickly, and overall, just really successful. 3.4 million followers. You can definitely do a lot of monetizing with that. Now let's look at someone from my Discord. This is Maze Industries. Maze is one of the few members of my Discord. As you can see, he's testing some of these strategies right here, but he's kind of taking a different approach. He's got some pretty nice looking background videos. You guys want to go check out his account, go do so. Drop him a follow as well. But yeah, as you can see, just kind of got like these money and car backgrounds with a lot of quotes, and that kind of content is doing really well right now. Just words on a good, some sort of motivational quote, and then you just put that on top of, a good background that kind of goes along with the quote. As you can see, one of his best recent videos was doing the Canva edit with this exact quote. But recently, what he actually did really well is on his Instagram Reels account here. I mean, it just absolutely blew up on this video. I think he got over 100K views out of nowhere. Got pretty much all his followers from that post. And he was saying in the Discord how he was getting a bunch of DMs about affiliate offers, which is really, really good. Obviously, on TikTok, you're not really getting those affiliate offers through messages, or at least I haven't personally. And for this, only 200 followers to be getting multiple offers like that through DMs really shows the power of Reels. And so I think there's definitely something to be said about that, cross-posting content to other platforms. And down the road, I want to make videos trying every single website, whether it be YouTube Shorts, whether it be Instagram Reels. Facebook Reels is a new one that I've heard is doing really, really well. I've heard there's explosive growth in there, so probably a lot of opportunity, especially with affiliate marketing, to really get in there now while it's hot. And yeah, this is just super cool to see. Before I've even finished the course, we already have people having success, with different strategies and algorithms. We've got a small community in the Discord so far, but it's really, really active for the size. I think we've only got like 30 members right now. But for 30 members and the amount of information that's shared in there, it's really valuable, and already a really good place to be. So I'm really happy with that. And obviously, we'll just continue to grow here. So we're just kind of all trying to grind on TikTok, get some money, get that online income, quit the 9 to 5. That's kind of what the goal is here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this, show you there are other options. Obviously, the way I showed you guys was the really, really lazy way to do things. And there's nothing wrong with that because it really is that easy. The growth I've had, very minimal effort, I'll be honest. As far as at least the TikTok itself goes, I've put a lot of work into some other things like affiliate marketing, building my website, that sort of thing, building this YouTube. I've put a lot of time into because those are my main focuses, but they've all branched off of my TikTok originally. And so you just want to get as much traffic as you can in as little amount of time. And that's when you're going to reap the most benefits, I think, personally. Unless you're really just trying to grow through TikTok alone, I think it's best to just try and get traffic and push it towards other things. And so we're going to keep doing that on this channel. I'm going to keep sharing everything I know because that's what I'm all about. Just building a community, sharing everything I know. We all just share together and we all grow together. That's the goal. And that's going to wrap up this module 6, and it's going to wrap up my course as a whole. Obviously, we're going to know way more information down the road, so I'll share it. I could potentially make tweaks to this course. But as for now, this is it, guys. It's been over an hour of content that I filmed just surrounding TikTok, monetizing it, building a community around it. And that's going to conclude my mastery course. I really, really hope you guys have enjoyed. And if there's any videos you want to see in the future, please just leave a comment below, and I'd be happy to make those for you. I'll see you guys later.